Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Rush Creek Creations 12 Fishing Rod Storage Tackle Cart. Durable finish 5-minute assembly. Unique fishing rod storage. Highly functional tackle storage cart that accommodates up to 12 freshwater rods. Rods not included. Added stability, carbon fiber weave laminate on the base and top boards provide extra strength and durability. Versatile, adjustable middle wire shelf and smooth rolling caster wheels allow plenty of room for your favorite fishing gear in one place. Scratch resistant, includes a powder-coated steel frame for a great quality, long-lasting look season after season. Official cart size, measures 23.6 inches LX 15.75 inches WX 34.7 inches H 5-minute assembly. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.